Education without aptitude. Compatibility between RIASEC vocational personalities and career interests of Pakistani university students' career is the lifelong occupational progress that a person makes inside or outside the workplace. Career planning is a very important cognitive process through which students decide about their career. This process usually takes place in adolescence for academic purposes. The career choices of students are influenced by several psychosocial factors such as the brought up, parental suggestions, suggestions by family members, peer pressure, gender stereotyping, vocational interests and perceived abilities, self-efficacy, career competencies, career opportunities, resources, work conditions, influence of the role models, value of the occupation, and career shock. Many theories have been proposed to understand career interests. The most prominent among these are Holland's theory of vocational personalities in work environment, the self-concept theory of career development, Gottfredson's theory of circumscription and compromise, social cognitive career theory, and career construction theory. Holland's theory of vocational personalities in work environment suggests a simple framework of types in one's career interest that could be used in career counseling and guidance. The self-concept theory of career development suggested that career choice and development is basically a process of developing and implementing a person's self-concept. Gottfredson's theory of circumscription and compromise considered career choice as a process which requires a high level of cognitive proficiency. Social cognitive career theory is based on Bandura's self-efficacy theory, which assumed a mutually influencing relationship between people and the environment. This theory explains a. the development of academic and vocational interest, b. how individuals make educational and career choices, and c. educational and career performance and stability. Career construction theory emphasizes upon the role of career competencies which lead to employability and success. Competencies in this regard refer to the skills, knowledge, and abilities of an individual that contribute to career development. Career resources, on the other hand, help the individual to know his work better to develop and maintain employability for a longer period. Career success is the work-related accomplishment and be typified into subjective, that is personal satisfaction out of work, and objective success, that is external incentives gained from career. Likewise, career shocks can also be positive, such as an unexpected promotion, and negative, such as an unexpected job loss. In the past few decades, Holland's theory has been a guide for career interest assessment and has gained much popularity internationally. Holland suggested that vocational interest is an expression of one's personality, and that vocational interests could be conceptualized into 6 typologies, which are realistic R, that is preferring hands-on activities with practical goals, investigative I, that is preferring activities in which a person can work toward the resolution of mathematical or scientific problems, artistic A, that is often being comfortable with ambiguity in a workspace or project and preferring activities in which a person can use creativity and expressivity to create something new, such as art or music, social S, that is preferring activities in which a person is able to teach, help, or provide information to others, enterprising E, that is generally enjoying activities in which a person can work with others to lead or persuade them, and conventional C, that is preferring working with data, such as numbers or records, to present and store it in a systematic and orderly way. The theory also suggests measuring a person's primary and secondary interests during the evaluation so that he could have a wide range of career choices. Researchers have supported this model and have highlighted its contribution to research, career evaluation and career counseling. Education, apart from its role in cognition, moral development, and psychosocial health, is usually directed towards its social output in enabling the students to be ready to perform the desired social roles and practice knowledge in practical situations. The educational disciplines, therefore, must be in line with the career interests of the students. Pakistan, being the 6th largest population in the world, is a developing country. The state of education in Pakistan is not appreciable. Apart from a documented national education policy, the country seriously lacks research in monitoring and evaluating the education being imparted in public and private institutions. Educational methodologies are not satisfactorily in line with modern means of information management, and students face severe problems, especially at higher levels. Teachers, on the other hand, also face several psychosocial problems. Dr. Sukoon conducted a study in Pakistan for the very first time which intended to measure the career interests of Pakistani students through Holland's RIASEC codes. The study also intended to analyze the compatibility of career interests with vocational personalities of the students and involved 1503 conveniently selected graduating students from different universities in Pakistan. They included both 785 males and 718 females. The students were enrolled in different disciplines of Bachelor's in Science BS. Their academic disciplines, for the purpose of the aforesaid study, were categorized into 9 domains, namely computer sciences, management sciences, pure sciences including biology, chemistry, physics, etc., social sciences including sociology, anthropology, social work, etc., electrical engineering, accounting and finance, mathematics, architecture and fine arts, and psychology. Psychology was analyzed separately from the social sciences due to the special interests of Dr. Sukoon. Interest Profiler, of Lewis and Rivkin 1999 was administered. This scale is based on John Holland's theory of vocational personality, which proposes 6 vocational personality types. Holland believed that people can be described by one of these 6 vocational personality types, namely realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising and conventional. According to the findings of the study by Dr. Sukoon, the most represented vocational personality of Pakistani students was social, and the least represented was realistic. The results revealed that the students of pure sciences, social sciences, architecture, fine arts, and psychology had opted their academic disciplines in a line with their career interests. The students of computer sciences, management sciences, electrical engineering, accounting and finance, and mathematics, however, did not select their academic fields in a line with their career interests. This mishap is mainly because of the non-availability of career counseling services in Pakistani educational institutions. Career counseling is commonly offered in the educational institutions of the developed countries. Most of the educational institutions in Pakistan, however, do not offer any aptitude testing or career counseling to the students. Due to the unavailability of career counseling services in Pakistani educational institutions, students opt those disciplines and acquire those skills which are not compatible with the needs of job market. Apart from the students, the general population in Pakistan is at risk of several psychological problems, and the culture does not permit the people to look for professional counseling. The need of professional counseling in the country is not significantly realized. The educated population, however, must realize the need of career counseling services within the educational system of Pakistan. These services should address the students and teachers equally. Teachers also need to get counseling to overcome the depression, anxiety, and stress they feel. The gender-based analysis in the study by Dr. Sukoon revealed that the understudied boys were significantly more realistic, enterprising, and conventional, and girls were significantly more investigative, artistic, and social. The gender-based differences in career interests studied earlier give a mixed picture in this regard. Social and artistic qualities, for example, have generally been found to be more prevalent among females. Some studies found greater manifestations of realistic career interests in males as compared with females. Social type is more feminine, and the realistic type is more masculine. A significant increase in enterprising interests among females and a significant decrease in realistic, investigative, and artistic interests among males have also been found over time. The gender-based differences in career interests have greater associations with cultural and vocational demands. Women in many other parts of the world have been assigned with the roles of housewives instead of letting them earn professionally. However, women have started broadening their career inspirations in the last few decades and have been opting for unconventional careers. The findings of the study by Dr. Sukoon highlighted the incompatibility between career interests and academic choices among Pakistani students. It reflects the adverse effects of the unavailability of career counseling services in the educational institutions of the country. The study, therefore, emphasizes on the importance of career counseling and aptitude testing services inside the educational institutes of the country. Taking career-related decisions is not an easy task for most of the students. Selecting a single occupation from the thousands is a lifetime decision and remains a crucial task for the students. For most of the students, career choice is made by their parents. The need for career counseling stays lifelong for professional growth and success. The effectiveness of career counseling services has been widely established to facilitate the students in selecting their careers and managing the psychosocial stressors in this regard. Career selection is a source of stress for students, and career counseling can help in reducing this stress and enabling students to choose the best suited career. Students who receive career counseling are more passionate about their careers, are more productive, have more retention rates, and are highly motivated to their professions. Students who do not receive proper career counseling make wrong career choices. The Ministry of Education of Pakistan and the management of educational institutions of the country are therefore advised to initiate career counseling and aptitude testing services within the existing educational setups. Students, in the meanwhile, are also advised to consult the online resources for aptitude testing and measuring career interests. This strategy has also been well established in helping the students choose the appropriate career. They can also consult their senior students and alumni to take advice. They can also pay visits to different organizations to observe the work and decide about the career. The aforesaid study by Dr. Sukoon was the first of its nature in Pakistan, which tried to measure the career interests of the students and to analyze the compatibility between vocational personalities and career interests. The study can be highly signified in its theory and scope. It has revealed that many Pakistani students have been unable to develop valid and reliable career interests. The prime reason for this is the unavailability of career-based assessment and counseling in Pakistani educational institutions. The study also aims to sensitize the Ministry of Education, the Higher Education Commission, and the educational institutions in the country to feel this huge gap within the educational system and to address it professionally. The negative consequences of this shortfall would surely result in job-related dissatisfaction and poor organizational performance. Students must be evaluated for their vocational personalities before giving them admissions at university level. Thanks for listening. To read the entire paper, kindly visit www.drsakoon.info.